Hello everyone. Today we discuss about simple interest. Simple interest means if we deposited any money in anywhere, in bank, post office, anywhere, then on that money we are getting some interest. This is called simple interest. There may be different types of interest is there. Simple interest is also there, compound interest also there. Now first of all, in today's class we will discuss what is simple interest. The basic thing is what. So in simple interest there are few terms are there. That is called principal, rate of interest, then tenure or time is there, and then simple interest is there. So few formulas are there. I am explaining this formula and one by one you have to understand. So first formula is there, SI. SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. This is the first formula. So what is the full form I am explaining? SI means simple interest, P means principal, R means rate of interest, T means time, and 100 divided by 100. So this R value, that means rate of interest, is different in different banks or post office. For different times they are giving different types of interest. Suppose there is for 1 year, there is a chart is there in quarterly or yearly they are changing that rate of interest. For 1 year if you deposit you are getting that much of interest, 2 year, so it will different for different organization or different case. So rate of interest means this is R, this short form is R. Now T means what? Time. For how much time you are depositing. In some cases, for if you deposit for more amount of more time, then you will get more interest. In some cases more time, then less interest also there. So there is a calculation is there. On the basis of that time is there. For that time you will get that much of interest. Now principal is what amount of money we are depositing on any bank or post office, whatever may be, on whatever amount of money you have deposited the money. So this is principal, this is rate of interest, this is time. So simple interest is equal to what? P, you have to multiply principal with rate of interest with time divided by 100. This is the basic concept is the simple interest. Now next is that suppose we in some problems they are asking to find out if SI is asking, then SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. Suppose they are asking P is equal to what? Then just cross multiply. If you cross multiply, what comes? PRT is equal to SI into 100. So from that cross multiplication, if they are asking what is principal, then principal is equal to SI into 100 divided by R into T. So this is the basic things is there. If they are asking find out the principal, then SI we have to multiply. SI should be given, any one may be unknown in any problem. So SI you have to multiply simple interest with 100 and divide by rate of interest and by time. So this is the formula for getting the principal. Now suppose they are asking what is the rate of interest at which suppose it is given that much of principal amount is deposited and you are getting that much of simple interest, everything is given. That means other than suppose R, all the values may be given. Then if they are asking what is the value of R, then R formula is equal to what? R is equal to SI into 100 divided by P into T. This is the formula for R. Understood? So R is equal to what? Rate of interest. How we calculate? We have to put simple interest into, we multiply 100 and divide by P, that means principal, into T. If all the values are known, we can easily find out the value of R. So till now we discussed three formulas. First one is simple interest, second is principal, third is rate of interest. All the remainings are come from the first. If we cross multiply, then remaining formulas will come. Now suppose they are asking for what time you are depositing the money. That much of interest you are getting, that much of rate of interest you are giving, that much of simple interest you are getting. So for what how many years if they are asking, if you have deposited the money, then T is equal to what? From the same after cross multiplication, T is equal to what come? S into SI. SI means simple interest into 100 divided by principal into rate of interest. This is the formula for calculating the time. So for calculating the time, we are multiplying simple interest with 100 divided by principal into rate of interest. So this is the formula for calculating the time. So these are the basic things are there. If principal is unknown, we are getting from there. If R is unknown, that means rate of interest is unknown, we are getting from there. If time is unknown, then we are getting from there. Now another basic things they are asking, suppose in the problem they are asking what is the amount That means how much amount you will get. Amount means what? Amount means principal plus SI. Amount means principal plus SI. What is it meaning? Suppose you are depositing a bank at 4% interest, then after 1 year you are getting some money, that means interest you are getting. So that means your principal amount also you will get return back, na? It is not like that principal amount you will donate to the bank or any post office anywhere. So principal amount also they return back. So total amount of what money you will return back, this is called amount. So amount is equal to always principal plus simple interest. So now if we get from there what is the simple interest, then you just put the value of simple interest there, and P also unknown. What is the principal amount deposited? That is also, sorry, P is also known, what amount of money you have deposited. So we have to put the value of principal amount here and simple interest there. So if we sum up, we will get amount. So depend on the problems, what they are asking. If they are asking amount, then principal plus SI. If they are only asking principal, then from that you will get. If they are asking only rate of interest, then from that you will get. If they are asking time, then from that we will get. So this is this 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. These are the 5 basic formulas are there, and if we remember first one, then from that all the remaining will come. So this is the basic concept is there, and from that basic concept you will get all the simple interest concept from that. Okay, so these are the basic formulas are there from simple interest. So on the next class we will discuss about compound interest. Okay, thank you.